Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Match the following columns and select the correct option. So there are two columns, 1 and 2, and in each column there are 4 options. So we have to match the column 1 with column 2. Okay, now the first option here is the placenta. So placenta is the tissue which is connecting the mother with the fetus. So placenta is also acting as a temporary endocrine gland. It means when we say endocrine gland, it means it releases hormones. So placenta release a number of hormones which include the HCG or the human chorionic gonadotropins, HPL, it means the human placental lactogen. It also releases small amount of progesterone, estrogen and a little amount of relaxin also. So these are the hormones which are released from the placenta. So here placenta releases human chorionic gonadotropin or the HCG, which is taking the role of LH and it maintains the corpus luteum. So placenta goes with option 2. Now zona pellucida. So zona pellucida is a non-cellular, or we can say it is a acellular layer which is made of glycoproteins, and this layer is present around the ovum or the secondary oocyte. So this is secondary oocyte. So around it there will be a thick layer of glycoproteins, and this layer of glycoproteins is known as the zona pellucida. So secondary oocyte or the ovum. So zona pellucida is the layer of ovum. So B goes with 3. Now bulbourethral glands or BUG, which are also known as the Cowper's gland. These are male accessory glands and these release the mucus. So the principal secretion of these include mucus, and mucus lubricates the penis for the easy transport of sperms. So bulbourethral glands are involved in the release of mucus, which is involved in the lubrication of penis. So C option goes with 4. Now the Leydig cells are also known as the interstitial cells, and these cells, they release androgens or the male sex hormones. These are present in the testes of males. So option D goes with 1. So from these statements now it is clear that A with 2, B with 3, C with 4 and D with 1. So the correct match here is option D. So the answer of this question is option D. So all the best बच्चों.